Our stomach is like women and our liver is like men. Now, why do I say that? It is because when we eat something wrong, our stomach will immediately give us a response. Flatulence, diarrhea, and so on. Just like women, we are more sensitive. However, when our liver has problems, it is like most men. They don't show any emotions if they are going through hardships. Now, the liver tissue does not have any nerve endings. Therefore, usually we don't feel any pain or discomfort. Now, when we feel pain, it is because the membrane that surrounds it is inflamed due to injury or illness. But at this time, it might already be too late. Hi, my name is Ziqi and I am a nutritionist. Welcome to my health channel. Today, I'm going to share with all of you on how we can protect our liver and kidneys. Now, before we dive into that, we have to know what are the factors that can affect our liver and kidney health. Now, firstly, irregular sleeping schedule. You're always sleeping late. Or you like to drink alcohol. You take alcohol as if you're taking mineral water. Or maybe you are a long-term drug user, such as drugs that lowers your blood cholesterol, your blood sugar, as well as your blood pressure. Or maybe you use the wrong health products or herbal medicines. For example, South African leaf, also known as bitter leaf. Now, online articles are saying that this leaf is able to have anti-tumor effects in your body. But do you know that if you wrongly use all these kind of herbal medicines, it can cause you to have kidney failure and liver damage? Now, I believe those that are watching my videos today are people who are more health conscious. So when you are consuming rice, you definitely opt for brown rice instead of white rice. But do you know that for people with kidney problems, brown rice is not a good choice for them? This is because brown rice has a higher phosphorus content. It can put extra burden onto our kidneys. So if you have kidney problems, you should opt for white rice instead of brown rice. How can we know that our kidneys are starting to have problems? We can identify it through our urine. Now, if you have trouble urinating, frequent urination, as well as a decreased urinating volume, meaning that you go to the toilet very often, but your urination output is very little. Now, all these could mean that your kidneys are starting to have problems. Now, when we were young, our urination is like a waterfall. It is fast and we do not have any problems urinating. When we enter middle age, it becomes like a running water tap. However, if your kidneys start to have problems, it will be like a dripping water tap. We have difficulty urinating as well as a decreased urination output. Actually, there are also other factors that can cause you to have difficulty urinating, such as an enlarged prostate gland, which is very common in men. But difficulty in urinating is also one of the symptoms of kidney problems. Or you have bubbles in your urine that doesn't pop within a few seconds. Now, all of these are telling you that your kidneys aren't functioning as well. Now, as a health conscious person, there's three main objectives that we usually want to achieve. There is early prevention, early detection, as well as early treatment. So how can we identify our kidney and liver problems early so we can take immediate action to correct them and prevent them from becoming worse? Well, we can do regular blood tests. So if you realize that your liver enzyme levels, GLT, GPT, GGT, AST and ALT are high, or your kidney function, eGFR, estimated glomerular filtration rate is low, your urea and creatinine is high, or you have protein in your urine. Now, all of these are telling you that your liver or kidney isn't functioning as well. Hence, you should take immediate action to correct them. Now, if any of these things that I've mentioned above is related to you, then I believe the product that I'm sharing with all of you today is very beneficial for you. And that is LivAce. It is a liver, gallbladder, and kidney tonic. Now, LivAce has three main ingredients: milk thistle, cat's claw, as well as dandelion. Now, all these three ingredients as a whole is able to help you protect your kidneys as well as your liver. Firstly, LivAce has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, as well as antioxidant properties. It is able to protect your liver cell membranes from toxins, and is also very beneficial for various liver diseases such as chronic hepatitis, cirrhosis, fatty liver, as well as jaundice. Now, if your job requires you to drink alcohol very often, do you know that just by consuming 2 capsules of LivAce, you are able to minimize the damage of alcohol to your liver? Or you have hangover problems. Now, LivAce is also able to help you cure your hangover faster. If you are going through any therapies such as chemotherapy or electrotherapy, LivAce is able to protect your liver from the toxins produced by these therapies. It can also enhance DNA repair as well as strengthening our immune system. Now, the overall prevalence rate of Malaysian adults with high cholesterol problems is actually very high. 1 in 2 Malaysian adults actually has high cholesterol problems, and many of them are consuming drugs to reduce their blood cholesterol. Statins, which is the drug that is used to lower your blood cholesterol, actually only lowers the cholesterol in your blood. It treats the symptoms but not the root cause. On top of that, it also has many long-term side effects. Now, have you ever wondered, members of the same family eating relatively the same foods? Now, only some of them has high cholesterol problems. This is because 70% of the cholesterol in our body is actually produced by our liver. Only 30% is from the foods that we eat. Hence, high cholesterol problems is not solely due to our diet. Therefore, we should ensure that our liver is functioning properly so we can minimize the risk of us having high cholesterol problems. Now, this is a case study of one of our users of LivAce. He is Mr. Lau and he is 80 years old. He is actually a carrier of hepatitis B. You can see that his liver enzyme levels, AST and ALT, are very high. Now, after using LivAce, he is able to reduce his liver enzyme levels to 37 and 64. Now, if you are a guy, the next thing that I want to talk about is something that is very related to you, and that is erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is actually a very common condition in male chronic kidney disease patients. Its prevalence is estimated to be approximately 80%. Or you realize that your sexual performance isn't as good as what it used to be as you were younger. Now, this could partly be due to kidney problems. LivAce is able to protect our kidney health. It is able to act as a diuretic and help lower your blood pressure as well as filtering out waste substances in the blood. It also has anti-inflammatory effects on your kidneys and bladder. Now, our kidney function actually decreases with age. Hence, we should use LivAce to act as a precautionary measure and maintain our kidney health. This is another case study of our customers with kidney problems. As you can see, Mr. Lau, which is just now, he on top of having liver problems, he also had kidney problems. You can see that his eGFR is very low, 64 mL per minute. Now, for an healthy individual, our eGFR is actually 90 milliliters per minute. Now, after using LivAce, his eGFR is able to return back to 79 milliliters per minute. Now, the next one is Mr. Tan. He is 70 years old. You can see that his urine microalbumin, which is our protein in our urine, is extremely high. It is 1,636 milligrams per liter. And his urine albumin to creatinine ratio is 164. Now, after using LivAce, we are able to reduce his protein in urine up to almost 50%. 860.4 milligrams per liter, and his urine albumin to creatinine ratio has dropped to 124.7. This shows that as long as we carry out appropriate measures, we can correct all these problems despite our age. Lastly, LivAce is able to prevent bile duct obstruction. It can promote the production and delivery of bile, preventing gallstone formation. Now, after sharing all these benefits and functions of LivAce, in conclusion, different organs in our body are actually interrelated. So when we are designing this product as well as giving you consultation, we look at you as a whole. We will identify the root cause, analyze it, and give you proper advice on nutrition therapy as well as diet recommendation. LivAce has actually already had 15 years of history in the clinical application field, and we have gathered reviews as well as feedback from our users. Now, I want to share with all of you some additional uses of LivAce. Now, if you have headache, mouth ulcer, sore throat, heat stroke, cough, flu, or even swollen gums, do you know that you can take 2 capsules of LivAce, open it up, pour the powder onto your tongue, slowly swallow it down, followed by 250 cc's of warm water. You can feel the immediate soothing effects of LivAce. This is because LivAce has antibacterial, antiviral, as well as anti-inflammatory properties. Now, there's something that is currently on everybody's lips, and that is coronavirus disease. Recently, there are a few scientists from various countries working together to evaluate the effects of cat's claw on coronavirus disease. Research finding has shown that cat's claws is able to disrupt the structure of coronavirus. Hence, not only can cat's claw improve our immune system to help us defend against this disease, it can also kill the virus. Why choose VigorAce's LivAce? Now, LivAce combines both Western and Oriental essences to help kidney and liver maintenance. Now, after all, we are consuming health supplements in hopes to improve or maintain our health and well-being. Therefore, it is a no-brainer that we should choose something that is pure and clean. LivAce is produced solely of natural plant essences. It does not have any chemical additives. Now, VigorAce, the company, is also the first company to combine nutrition therapy as well as bioenergy therapy. Now, what is bioenergy therapy? In layman terms, it is like an edible acupuncture. When we are formulating this product, its raw materials is able to resonate with designated parts in our body, creating a target resonance effect. By doing this, it is able to revitalize our mother cells in the targeted tissues and thereby enhancing tissue regeneration, repair, as well as self-healing ability. Now, LivAce is able to resonate with our temporal lobe and cerebellum, liver, gallbladder, kidney, intestines, thoracic spine, ankle joints, as well as the sole of our foot. Furthermore, the products of our company are manufactured by a California state FDA-approved GMP licensed manufacturer with 40 to 50 years of experience. They also have clinical application support. Now, the company also took the initiative to send their products to a local third-party independent Ministry of Health approved laboratory for quality inspection. If you have certain special health conditions that you do not know how to act on, do not worry, as our company provides free personalized health consultation tailored to your personal needs. If you have tried various methods and your problems are still unresolved, why don't you give yourself a chance and contact us or WhatsApp us on our customer care line during office hours, or you can private message us on our Facebook and let our qualified nutritionist speak to you. VigorAce, your health, our mission.